Kal halalim la Yahweh Basham Yahushai Bahasham Racha HaKudash. Double honors to the apostles, elders, and bishops of GMS who rule well, and salutations and blessings to you elect, starting with the 144,000. So as the title reads, Elon Musk's Neuralink receives Canadian approval for brain chip trial. This was posted November 21st, 2024. Okay, the company Neuralink, all right, that endeavor that he's pushing, okay, this is the stamp of approval for trials. Right? It says Elon Musk's Neuralink said on Wednesday it has received approval to launch its first clinical trial in Canada for a device designed to give paralyzed individuals the ability to use digital devices simply by thinking. The brain chip startup said the Canadian study aims to assess the safety and initial functionality of its implant, which enables people with quadriplegia or paralysis of all four limbs to control external devices with their thoughts. Canada's University Health Network Hospital said in a separate statement that its Toronto facility had been selected to perform the complex neurosurgical procedure. Regulator Health Canada did not immediately respond to a request for comment. In the United States, Neuralink has already implanted the device in 2 patients. The company says the device is working well in the second trial patient who has been using it to play video games and learn how to design. Where the fuck that go? That's Satan. Hold on. To design 3D objects. Founded in 2016 by Musk and a group of engineers, Neuralink is also building a brain chip interface that can be implanted within the skull, which it says could eventually help disabled patients to move and communicate again and restore vision. In September, the startup received the U.S. Food and Drug Administration's breakthrough device designation for its experimental implant aimed at restoring vision. So pretty much you get the gist of it. And there's a few scriptures that come to mind, but this whole thing is this is the end road. This is the final road. This is that final destination where the whole world will be presented with this. And you see the way they're coming in is this is helping quadriplegic people, and this is going to help people see again. And what comes to mind is the miracles of the beast. Okay, they're going to use this guy. They're already using this guy, Elon Musk, for years, but now they're really accelerating him with Trump and MAGA, which is witchcraft and sorcery. And they're pushing this endeavor that everything is going to be good. We have a Bitcoin president. Cryptocurrency is going to thrive. People are going to flourish again. We're going to make America great. But they're really pushing the totalitarianism, okay, of the elites, of the oligarchs. This guy, we must never forget, this guy's a demon, right? This guy's an insider, right? And I'm not saying for you brothers, I'm just saying in general for these people, but these people they got the wool over their eyes anyway, right? Elon Musk's jacket at the Met Gala reads Novus Ordo Seclorum, which means New World Order, which is the same thing on the dollar bill, the American dollar bill, a New World Order, right? Right out of the horse's mouth. Let's see what Musk said. This is from 2014.
From Tesla Motors CEO Elon Musk, it has nothing to do with cars. Instead, Musk warned about artificial intelligence.
Hey man, this is 10 years ago. This is November 24th, 2014. Literally 10 fucking years ago. So we're here, man. We're at that stage of time. The hour of temptation.
Which he has called more dangerous than nuclear weapons. Musk spoke at a symposium at MIT.
I mean, with artificial intelligence, we are summoning the demon. You know those stories where there's the guy with the pentagram and the holy water, and he's like, yeah, he's sure he can control the demon. Didn't work out.
I take it there will be no HAL 9000 going up to Mars.
HAL 9000 would be easy. It's way more complex than, it would put HAL 9000 to shame. Yeah. I was like a puppy dog.
Of course, referencing Space Odyssey. Following his next question, Musk blanked out and apologized, saying he was thinking about the AI thing for a second. So engrossed was he in that idea.
All right. So, this is what they're doing, man. They had the CERN way back. Okay, the CERN in 2016, the deepest tunnel in the world. What are they doing down there? What do you think they're doing? They have these monkeys here saying old video wrongly linked to CERN to push satanic conspiracy theory. When you watch this whole fucking ceremony, it's nothing but a satanic ceremony. Okay, it's a demonic, degenerate, fucking filth show. And it creeps you the hell out when you watch this thing. It's like fucking a few hours when you go on YouTube. This degeneracy, man. All these leaders, right? So what do you think they're doing down there? This is all tying in with your AI god, them demons, okay? All right, it's gonna tie in with the 5G to 6G. All these things are gonna tie in together, man. Okay, now let's go to Revelation 13 and 16. And he causeth all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in their right hand or in their foreheads. Now we've gone through this probably thousands of times, and we're still gonna go through it. Okay, because you have a lot of false leaders out there not going into the word charagma, which means a stamp, an imprinted mark. Okay, and when you go further into it, it really means something impaled or put inside you, pretty much. To impale means you puncture your skin. So you put this chip in you. You can put it in your brain as they're doing, or in your hand, your left or your right hand. Okay, not what some of these other guys are teaching, some foolishness. Verse 18, here is wisdom. Let him that hath understanding count the number of the beast, for it is the number of a man, and his number is 603 score and six. Okay, and in the Greek, chi psi stigma, right? The last word or consonant, stigma, right? It goes back to what? It goes back to impale. Okay, it literally goes back to impale. Stigma, to stick, example, prick, a mark pricked in or branded upon the body. To ancient Oriental usage, slaves and soldiers bore the name or the stamp of their master or commander, branded or pricked, cut into their bodies to indicate what master or general they belong to. So this is tying into you picking the side. Who are you with? Yahweh Bashem, Yahweh Shai, or are you with Esau? Are you with Satan? Okay, who's your master? Who do you serve? This is all what it's going down to, and it's gonna go down right into your pockets, right into your bare necessities. Right, it's gonna affect transactions, business, okay, commerce, transportation, everything. It's gonna affect every aspect of life. So that therefore will be a choice you will have to make. It's not like you're gonna, okay, no, I'm just gonna do my thing. No, this is gonna be forced upon the world. Okay, and now they're doing it here in Canada. So they already have 2 patients in America. Now they're doing the clinical trials in Canada, in Toronto, right here. This is a demonic city. They call the city the Six, with that CN Tower, man, that phallic symbol. This is a demonic ass place, man. Okay, right, and it says, and there were even some devotees who stamped themselves in this way with the token of their gods. Right, see, a mark incised or punched for recognition of ownership. Okay, so figuratively, scar of service. So like I said, man, this thing is coming down to the wire. All right, this is not a joke anymore. This is here, and this is major news. You can go in anything. This is major news. All right, so breaking news. All right, Neuralink trials, clinical trials are beginning in Canada. All right, Kahalal Yam Yahweh Bashem Yahweh Shai. Shalom to the elect.